ayaw. Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. The bird is eating. That's me. And that bird is for Tito Nyok. And I put some mini. And you guys.
Ang dami naman.
You want to feed the bird? You don't like? Okay. Me. Now, you don't know how to feed the bird? Watch this. Now, only watch. Watch this.
Ano ka po?
Mama. You watch now?
Ay. Ay. Tatapon ha. Uwi na siya?
Oo. Uwi na sila.
O, lagay mo yung pagkain nila doon. That's all for today's. Dapat ba-vlog mo sila, no?
Okay. Hello guys. Now, it's good. Too nice. Eating the bird. Bye guys.